Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Shoaib, and
Medina.
today we are doing the epic Somali and my challenge. We will be starting our challenge in a few minutes after this commercial break.
Hi guys, so we're in my cousin Hawa, so yeah,
I like to see everything about Bahaya.
should we crack that? There's two left. So if you wanna continue to watch the challenge and you don't wanna miss anything, don't go anywhere.
You know what? Let's do it in our language. You speak in your language, I speak my language. That's more. It's gonna be more interesting. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Kusoo dhawaada channelkeena YouTube-ka. And maanta waxaan rabnaa inaan sameyno wax la dhahayo luqad bedelid. Yeah, luqad bedelid ayaan sameynaynaa. Ha, luqad switch ayaan sameynaynaa. Switch. So she's gonna be so sawda ka bixi meesha. Marka ayada luqada Ingiriiska ayaa wax ku dhahaya. luqadayda ayay ku sheegaysaa ayadan luqad Ingiriiska ayay wax ku dhihi luqadeeda ayaan anigana ku sheegaya marka insha Allah kullay sharciga meesha noo taagan ayaa saas then qofkii macnaha oo in badan sheego su'aalaha badan qofkii ka jawaabo ayaa wuxuu dooranayaa macnaha hadiyad misna qofka kale ayuu macnaha inqaab marsiinaya ka waran luqadayda Soomaalida caadi ma aha
wax fiicanta.
Okay, marka insha Allah kullay su'aalaha ayaan bilaawayna kullay ayada ladies first alle marka ayada macnaha bilaawani ask me question and I will translate in her language. It will be interesting. By the way, we have like 10 seconds to answer to translate it. We cannot use more than 10 seconds, you know, because otherwise I can just think about it and sit here like more than
wait, how do you
minute,
say that?
2 hours.
Remember.
So marka not more than 10 seconds. So I will make sure do the stopwatch. All right, where's my stopwatch?
You could just answer quick.
Yeah, you can after you ask me the question, you can count it in your head, like you say 1, 2, like.
When I get to 5, I'm like 5, 4, 3.
You know, you make sure you count as seconds.
How do you say let's have a vacation in Meidhoite?
That's really hard. Let's have vacation.
Or let's go to vacation.
I bet you don't even know how to say in your language. Okay.
Okay, let's go to vacation.
Let's go to vacation, okay? Okay, count together. So let's go vacation. Sabah Safara Bahane.
Okay, you got it.
I got it. Woo! I got it right.
Oh,
okay.
He's gonna give me a hard one.
How to say you are so beautiful. She got it right, man. Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
How do you say? I think I should just read from what I wrote.
Well,
otherwise I
if that's the case, then I have like a lot of hot ones
thinking
here.
it's gonna take time.
All right.
What are you eating for dinner?
Anne, oh, am I saying?
What are you eating for dinner?
So
translate. Got it.
May Aisha Amoy Tamingam. No, you didn't add night, right? May Aisha Amoy.
I said, what are you eating for dinner?
Aisha May Amoyte. Aisha May Amoyte. Or Haminga May Amoyte, whatever.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay,
Woo. All right. What is he talking about? Wow, look at that, man. That's so bad. She did better
Somali
than
can
me.
grow one day.
All right. Hatta she didn't even take 1 second to think about it.
Nope.
You know what I mean?
Sigat maha
Hallelujah.
hallelujah.
Okay. Right.
My turn. Where is she going?
انت بهايت. Where is she going? انت
Sometimes English is kind of, the words are backwards, but you have to say it.
عيد انت بهايت.
Ayida? We don't say Ayida.
ايه انت بهايت. ايه انت بهايت. Oh, got it right. All right. You surprised me. I don't think she will. 1 point. Where's my pen?
I don't know how to say
Where's my
surprise in
pen?
your guys'
Where's my
language.
pen? Where's qalan? I need a qalan.
What was it? You surprised me.
Huh? You surprised me.
I think it was a فرحسيسة.
Oh my god. You make me happy motas. Surprise, like.
Surprise. Is that even a word for it?
Yeah, it is a word for
I
it.
never
Surprise.
heard one.
Farah is like when you happy. This is surprise and happy different. Let me get a pen. Man, I need this point.
I don't know how to say surprise.
I'm gonna get a pen. I'm gonna get a pen. Pen.
He's enjoying this.
What is it? I've been waiting this moment for, you know.
I got you. I didn't talk about it.
Come on, you try it. Try it.
Surprise! I never heard surprise in Somali.
Madina, you kidding me, right? Don't say you never heard surprise in Somali. Yeah. I got pepper.
adiga waa iga faraxsiisa waa iga naxisa
iga naxis wallahi waan ka faraxsiin adina iga naxis alla meesha. Should I give that point? She say adiga waa iga faraxsiisay. Surprise is not faraxsiis.
Okay. I never heard it, so it's whatever. How would you say it?
I got 1 point.
How you got 1 point?
I got 1 point. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, look, 1 point. maxaati hadda ma sheegin adiga waa iga faraxsiis kullaha adiga waa iga yaabasay way
Yap is like naxtaan way. Yap is not.
adiga waa iga naxisay way taasne yap waa oo la yaabe surprise way marka wax oo la yaabto surprise la adiga waa iga yaabasay way but adiga waa iga faraxsiis I'm
They familiar. They similar.
Surprise is like yap way. I'm so surprised. What all you know? Okay, go. I got 1 point either way.
Oh, I need to think hard, long and hard.
Whoever gets the first 5 points away, that's the winner. Whoever gets the first 5 points. Ask me a question.
She's about to go in labor.
She's about to go in labor. Dhalto rabte.
No.
Dhalto rabte.
No, she's about to go in labor.
About to go in labor.
Dhalto rabte is about to have the baby.
Hey, mark mayo. Oh, dhalmo njede. What? What are you trying to say? So what is this? You tell me.
Volledoite.
Allah.
She's about to go in labor.
Okay, I give you that.
You don't have a baby unless you volledoite.
I give you that. Okay, I just 1 point after.
1 point today.
Whatever. Oh, waa igu xad taas ka ma yeelay anigana.
Website can boy get that at least.
Okay. Hey, I'm saying mine, okay? You are wrong. Wow.
Adiga waa qaldanta. What?
Okay. You get that right.
Okay,
Come on.
Let's go out to eat.
ما داوتي اللي بيودين ما انت امام نغلا. Let's go out to eat. ما انت ما قلت.
That was what are you having for dinner? This is let's go out to eat. How you say it in Maiden?
صباح بهانة عشيانة.
Nope.
ما يدتي؟
Let's go out to eat.
صباح I don't know what is that. To be honest, okay, Sabah. Walas amana binang.
The what?
Sabah walas amana binang.
Alright, I'll do
Did I get that right?
maybe, yeah.
How to say then?
I said hado that.
Allah, iba makasoito. Ado makasoito. Escalade. What I finish so come on together at the anrunche. Sabah unta amana man. Sabah unta amana. That means like unta the miski of sabah amana way. Can you say let's go out to eat dinner? Mountain.
You wrong.
هاي أنا وإمام وأروح يحفظ فضل هذا كسيس نويد وحد هذا there are too many people in here
مشيس بدنا جوجان
بدنا جوجان كلها هاي ساعة أنا ما بكون برين بتاعت ذاك عشان بالله come on guys we need a winner.
She wants a divorce.
إيه ما ربت أنتي لفورة. يا مزمع. كباب في يعني نوعي. That's enough. You eating too many banana. That's enough. You eat too many banana. That's enough.
بس banana بدنا عنده.
Banana بدنا عنده كلها.
ما بدنا عنده.
الله.
بس ده هذا وقت ورد بس ده ما بدنا عنويسا أو عنده.
هاي. You ate a lot of banana. Okay, go.
When was last time you had a haircut?
Allah.
You went on my food, so I'm gonna go on your hair.
I'm making them beyaiti. Madaga tinta jarto.
Maybe?
I'm making in the beyaiti or tinta jarto.
Nope.
I'm making them beyaiti or madaga jarto.
What? The first word you said is wrong.
Okay. I'm a Haiti. When was the last time, right?
When was the last time you had a haircut?
I'm a Haiti وقتي أو tinta jarti. I'm a Haiti وقتي سجرت tinta. I'm making them beyaiti وقتي tinta jarti.
Yeah, that one's.
Ooh, I get that right. It took me a long time. Anyway, I used it more than 10 seconds, but still, it doesn't matter.
Mabba, muhimmaha.
What?
I said it.
I said
Dude, I don't know. It doesn't matter.
Shake it, it doesn't matter, معلق.
I can't even say that.
It doesn't matter. My mom اللي قدامك شك.
Look at that. My mind مكسوي سن look at that كده. هاي مكسوي ما it doesn't matter.
معنى ما لها. معنى ما لها.
Hey, we going hard, right? If I let you win my.
It's not. It doesn't matter. You use that word every day. Like that's the. And I'm asking you وحيالها every day استعماش. I'm not asking you واحد or let's go for a date or let's go to eat. بلا واحد. أنا ما. هاي وين سؤال. 2 hours أنا. I got 3 more to do. Come on guys, come on.
You.
أنا
irritate my soul.
أذي نفتي إبتي. أذي إبتي. أذي إبتي. ساس ليه وين ما يكله. الشيء أنا أقول إذا أنا كبر ما جاء يسوي في فرنسا. أنا لغة دوابو هو إذا أنا كويس مقصد مياه.
Next.
ها.
I need to go in that dictionary because the words I have here are.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Aniga may rabe.
Aniga may rabe, huh? Aniga may rabe. Go. Aniga may rabe.
What did you say?
Akusha, do you have to?
Yes, I don't know how many times I repeat to you.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
maxaa isiinaysaa cup oo gaxwo
maxaa isiinaysaa
maxaan jeclaa in adiga isiiso cup
adiga meeshan you ma ku jirta bur I would like A cup of
maxaa
coffee.
jeclaad lahay ina oo cup oo qaxwo siiso
Hay diyaar waa ku siita saca. So one more, two aku soo yartay, anina wana isoo yartay.
what is something that you like to eat
Maywa walaago adu jecel intii aanto.
what
Maywa wala adu jecel intii aanto.
what
Maywa may adu jecel intii aanto.
whatever I'll give it to you next
You're making me so maywa wala adu jecel intii aanto. All right, the last one. I found it.
waan halay
Okay, one more kusir hadii taashan sheeg waay then we tied. Hadii sheegan I'm the winner. Ay.
come on make a time Medina go buy me something from the store
Go buy me
yeah
bahwal insagat.
whatever
Wal
we are tied
suuqta
guys.
insagat.
I couldn't think of a word that
Time ana two and I won. I am the winner.
couldn't
So
say.
I am the winner. So I will choose a prize or a punishment. Which one you want?
You choose a prize.
Prize?
Actually, punishment.
Punishment. Okay, punishment. You're gonna drink. Yeah, finally she got this water here. This one is ice, right? It's ice. You're gonna drink this. Suk. Waxaa waaye barrel of water waaye oo buuxdo oo waxaa la jiri barf waay marka way cabaysaa ayadoona neebsanin qodho isku day ilkahaad ibra baxaynaan ku dheh madiina markii waxaa arkaysiina laba ilka ka maqan soo cab
This blood is so freaking.
ay cab qabow barf waaya barf waay ice waa kan aad diribtiin waa let me show them it's right there it's barf waay kan maba caba kartid bro wara aaska xabiiba help 1 2 so wait
Wait, am I supposed to drink the whole thing?
you drink the whole thing in 20 seconds haddii 20 seconds ku dhammayn waaso then I have to use another
That's
banana
not even a minute.
I know it's not a minute 20 seconds that's why you know wait
And if I don't finish it,
I'm gonna choose another punishment
so do.
where's the clock wax la kala wareejisaa
Excuse me.
okay
Dude, that's
stopwatch okay
less.
1 2 3 go